What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can generate a bank statement from the NCB Mobile App. So once you're signed into your account, select the account that you want to generate the statement for, and then you select statements. You can see that I have a list of statements, so select the one that you want, right? You can view it. So once you view it, you can download it to your phone, or you could just email it to yourself. So I'm going to step back here. So instead of viewing, you could also download it directly. So you just select download, and this will store, if you're using iPhone, it will store it to your iCloud drive. If you're using Android, it will store it directly to your files. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.